The 41S analyzes fiber cleave end shapes and uses its Bluetooth connection to signal the CT-50 to automatically rotate its blade when the current blade position is expended. The Cleaver blade can also be advanced manually with the simple touch of a button, and the easy-to-read blade position indicator clearly shows the selected position. Surpassing the CT-30's blade life of 48,000, the CT-50's blade can yield up to 60,000 single-fiber cleaves or 5,000 12-fiber ribbon cleaves. The CT-50 can also accommodate longer stripped fibers than the CT-30, and its built-in scrap collector conveniently stores fiber shards until they can be safely discarded. To reduce downtime and operating cost, the CT-50's fiber clamps and blade can easily be replaced by users in the field. And as an industry first, the durable CT-50 can withstand severe shock from all directions, including drops up to 76 centimeters.